Virtually all fires begin at a single point of ignition, small, almost harmless at first. But undetected and uncontrolled, fires can quickly build, spread, and damage or destroy everything in their path. Microenvironments are often small, inaccessible, or difficult to effectively enclose. In rooms equipped with fire suppression systems, heat and smoke sensors may be located far away from these potential points of ignition. Sometimes the fire must grow into a truly destructive force before being detected. For these microenvironments, detecting and suppressing fires used to be impossible. The need for control panels, expensive smoke detectors, large cylinders and valves, along with electrical connections simply made the job physically impossible to fit. Now, fire detection and suppression comes in a tube. This deceptively simple device incorporates fire detection and suppression into a single tube. No electrical wires, no control panels, no large piping. It's also easy to install, highly affordable, and extremely accurate and efficient. Here's how it works. This tubing is made of a space-age polymer designed to burst at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, configured as a flexible linear pneumatic heat sensor, which can also carry and dispense the fire extinguishing agent. When heat of 212 degrees or greater is detected, the tubing softens, then bursts, instantly forming a dispensing nozzle, and releases the agent in the cylinder to extinguish the fire at the point of ignition in seconds.
A Pyro plug can be incorporated to switch off electrical equipment. This feature would be convenient in the event of a computer fire, like the one we have created by putting newspaper into this redundant computer cabinet. The power's off, the fire is out. Although damaged, this machine poses no further danger. This simple device performs 3 tasks: detection, extinguishing, and isolation. Pyro plug leaves everything safe.
Virtually all fires begin at a single point of ignition, small, almost harmless at first. But undetected and uncontrolled, fires can quickly build, spread, and damage or destroy everything in their path.
Some of the most fascinating things are here in the inventors area. Take this, it's the Pyro plug, designed to put out fires in the kind of electrical equipment you might have at home. What gave rise to it first appeared on our programme 7 years ago. Craig Doyle has been back to meet the inventor to see what's happened since.
The inventor is Dave Melton, a firefighting fanatic from Ipswich. How does it work?
Well, the heat of the fire causes the walls of the tube to weaken and burst at the hottest place, delivering the extinguishing gas to the very heart of the fire.
Now, that was 7 years ago that we featured that. Has it been successful for you?
Oh, it's been great. We're now fitting these systems to vehicles, computers, all types of equipment worldwide.
What have you got for us now?
Well, we've moved on to a miniature system that'll fit inside a television set. Here we've got the Pyro plug. This is designed to put out fires in televisions and computers. It not only detects and extinguishes the fire, but it turns off the main supply as well to prevent reignition. So it does 3 jobs: detection, extinguishing, isolation. Game, set and match.
One of Dave's tubes full of extinguishing runs through the television and is connected to his Pyro plug. The TV is then plugged into the same device, which will turn everything off at the first sign of fire.
Well, the switch is controlled by a magnet in a piston held in place by the pressure in the tube. As soon as the tube bursts, the magnet moves away, breaking the circuit.
All right, so the fire's put out, electricity off straight away.
That's correct. And all you need to do now is set fire to the television.
I'll let you do that, Dave. I'll get out of the way. Brilliant. That gives you a bit of a shock, that, doesn't it? Oh, fantastic. Still doing it. So the fire's out, television off.
What do you expect?
It's brilliant, Dave. It's brilliant. Well, there you go. You've seen it on Tomorrow's World. It works. Fire out, television safe. Pretty good.